This is a story of a group of not so young sweet boy men who teamed up every Saturday to make homebrew beer in lovely Carlsbad, California. They were Maury, CH, Kevin, and Raphael. There was also a lot of other people who brewed with them too, but they're not important enough to name. These barrages brewed whether it was day or night, rain or shine, outside or inside, but their only problem was fermenter troubles. Traditional fermenters could be messy, difficult to clean, way too much exposure to oxygen, and very, very easy to break. It was then, one day, when it was almost as the beer gods themselves sent these dudes the long lost missing link to what they needed. The Craftabrew Catalyst Fermentor. Now it is time for you, my friends, to sit back and watch why this fermenter solve all of your problems in life. Vámonos.
We are stoked that these guys gave this to us.
Yeah. So stoked. You know, this is the first time we've been up. I'm stoked. You stoked?
I'm stoked.
Just
I'm stoked.
so stoked.
Assembly-wise, we were up and running in less than 5 minutes.
Extremely easy assembly.
The fermentation tank is made from innovative Triton polymer plastic.
Triton polymer plastic. So a lot of plastic, you could scrape it and it could harbor yeast, but not this one, man. Not this fucking one this time.
It's very scratch resistant.
Triton polymer, the same characteristics as glass, but it's plastic. It's got give.
So it's more durable.
It's the giver.
It's strong.
It's the gift that keeps on giving. I hate racking with all my heart.
The great thing about this fermenter is it eliminates the need for transfers, siphons, with its proprietary 3-inch butterfly valve, the Trub Trap.
After it's done fermenting, we'll take the mason jar off, we'll throw our yeast in the fridge, and we'll connect a funnel to it, and look at that. It goes straight into the keg. Straight into the keg.
Right.
We're not spilling anything.
We're not exposing it to minimize the oxygen.
It's minimizing oxygen. Come at me, Braj.
The catalyst is compatible.
Girl who want
Can't even read.
Don't throw them off too much.
Take off your shirt.
Yeah.
The catalyst is compatible with any wide mouth mason jar for collection and removal of sediment, as well as harvesting yeast. It's always great to harvest yeast because it can save you a lot of money by repitching and reusing yeast.
My favorite part about this fermenter is that it's plastic. You know, a lot of times when you're brewing, you start drinking too much, you know, and those glass fermenters, they break really easily. Have you ever broken one?
I had a carboy handle on one and it was full of sanitizer, and I picked it up to dump it out and it dropped from 4 feet and exploded and shot glass literally like 60 feet away and sliced my leg open, and I had to go to the hospital and get stitches.
That's the coolest fucking story I've ever heard in my entire life. That's insane. Can I hear it again? Do you have time?
The tank is also dishwasher safe.
I want that.
And then let's just take off our t-shirts and show everybody how here we are. What's the funnel called? Is that a funnel?
It's easy to lift this up high.
Look at that.
And have your keg down low so you can use gravity to siphon it in your keg.
There's two things that are about gravity. It's free, and it works when the power goes out.
Yep, this is true. And that actually happened to me once. I went home, the power was out.
It happened to me twice. My story's better. This thing is actually fun to clean with.
You've
We
never
just
done that.
Splash and hang around, take bubble baths and drink beer and be silly with our fermenters.
Prove it. Prove it. Prove it.
Huge shout out to Craftabrew. If you guys want one of these, we have a link in the description below. And it is clear, so it's really nice just to get a visual. See beer and wine and, you know.
It's nice to be able to see what's going on.
Yeah.
Brings you back to the sea monster days.
What else can you use with this besides a fermenter?
And we can also use it as a beer bong.
Shout out to Craftabrew. We've got a link in their description below. They got a lot of cool stuff. A lot of beer, homebrew stuff, cider stuff, wine stuff.
Craftabrew. Check them out.
Craftabrew. Craftabrew.com.
Craftabrew.com.
Maury and CH from Homebrew for Life.
Cheers to eating good
and drinking good.
And we out.
2,
Open your mouth.
1.
Yeah!
That went all over my feet.
Yeah! It's like Splash Mountain.